Welcome guys. On today's video I am going to be listing the top 5 best AI application of 2023 that you can use to create apps easily on your device. Now the first one is DrawToApp. Now DrawToApp stands out for its ability to transform a real-life drawing into a functional application. Now all you need to do is to start up DrawToApp application and enter in your API key. Then you need to sketch up your content and hit build button. Now once you hit on the build button, it's going to build a functionally working application for you in seconds, and this is going to be a very working application that it's functional and you can start using it immediately. Now the next one on my list is TLDraw. Now TLDraw is free, instant, and also collaborative diagramming tools that also helps in enhancing your web application flow. Now this particular application is integrated with the GPT-4 API, and the fusion of the whiteboard functionalities and AI has a remarkable capabilities. Now TLDraw website invites you to draw a UI, then make it real. All you need to do is to sketch an interface and then press build button, and it's going to get a working website for you instantly. Now the next one on my list is the third one on my list is ScreenshotToCode. Now ScreenshotToCode is peculiarly impressive in its ability to recreate a digital interface from a mere screenshot that you have taken. That is actually interesting, right? When it was tested, it was flawlessly replicated. It flawlessly replicated the Feds interface that was screenshot and uploaded as an image to the to it, and it replicated it and made it functional easily just by uploading a screenshot. Now this is actually getting interesting, right? Now the other one that is also available on this list, number 4, is CharGTP. Now the reason why I added CharGTP in this tool is because it's actually an AI tool that is capable for accelerating your entrepreneurial journey, aside from using it to secure coverage and master productivities and even create an entire PDF document. CharGTP can do so many things, guys. Listing them is just going to take more time in this video than I wanted. Now CharGTP can help you to turn your business into a fully functional product, while CharGTP doesn't support a live code testing. That is actually poor. That is actually where it doesn't make it perfect. Now it can provide a code snippet for external testing and serves as both debugger and a coding assistant, which is also known as Copilot by Microsoft, which can be useful by non-technical people, making modification and adding confidence. Now if you are not very used to creating website and application, CharGTP is going to make it actually very easy for you. That's the reason why I added it in this list. And the 5th one is actually Cursor. Now if you're on the technical side of your business and looking for a more advanced AI tool to help you to develop a new way, and also all you need to do is to check out Cursor. Cursor is actually an AI-powered code editor that is designed for the AI-first approach to software development. It helps developers write and edit code more efficiently by using the AI providing suggestions, completions, and documentation for various programming languages. And guys, that is actually the roundup of this video. These are the total 5 AI tools for creating applications or apps. And guys, I hope this video is helpful, and please let me know if it's helpful on the comment section. I would really appreciate it. And if you have further questions regarding this, leave it on the comment section. I am going to make more videos for you guys, and thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Peace.